Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on and give you a quick update on what month 2 of teaching on Skillshare looks like for me. So I started on Skillshare at the beginning of November, and so November I went at it really hard. With Skillshare, you can post a course or a class or your short videos, once a week. So I hit it every week, boom, 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 and I did 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week. And in the first month, I managed to get, a handful of students and about 300 minutes watched. And I'm just going to go up here to my teacher stats. I also posted one or two videos on YouTube just about Skillshare, and so I managed to get one $10 referral, because every person you refer to Skillshare, they'll give you $10. And so then in December, what happened was my kids were sick a whole bunch, and I just lost momentum. I just got busy with Christmas and everybody was sick, and so I also unfortunately ran afoul of the Skillshare terms of service. Apparently, even though people post tons of videos and things on Skillshare about the MMO niche, make money online, do this, affiliate marketing, whatever, it's actually outside of their terms of service to really focus on that. And so I don't know how they balance that, but you can see my pointer over here. I made a class about Heartbeat. It's the app that people can get started on Instagram, to be an influencer, and it's an easy way to get paid. And just to get started, right? I was looking for anything I could talk about that was actually helpful or useful to help people make, that first dollar online. And so they reached out to me, and they took the class, and even though it shows up right here that, nobody, they closed registration to it, and I was like, oh, I made all that effort, and then they just took it away, and so I did hardly do anything in December. But what's funny about that is that I did nothing with Skillshare in December. I didn't post any, really any other courses in December. Okay, let's see. You'll catch me in a lie right here. I did one. So I did one the first week of December, and then right after that, my kids came down with the stomach flu, and then they had the flu for 2 weeks, and Christmas, and yada yada. So I did nothing. But that's what's cool about this, whole passive income idea, right? Is that I posted, 4 or 5 courses in November, and then I only posted one in December, and I still managed to get 177 premium minutes watched and a referral. So it looks like they will show me my stats tomorrow, but it's going to be one premium referral is $10 plus. Last month they paid me 6 cents a minute. So if it was, oh, that's not going to be good math. That's still bad math. So it's going to be about $20 for December, which is still pretty cool as far as, going through this and, not really knowing what I'm doing and not, being an experienced course creator, again, being a total beginner on Skillshare. This is the work that I'm getting paid for now that I did in November, and I was sick and I stepped away, and I was still able to get some views on my videos, and I didn't do anything. I didn't market anything. I didn't go out and like and unfollow or do anything, which is why I think that the Skillshare model is such a neat idea, because it's so easy to post videos to. It's so easy to get your videos in front of people, because what Skillshare does, so when you search, like I'll just search start a business, and then when you do that, it suggests videos for you, but then it also puts random videos in there that you don't even know how they could pop up, but you could see how somebody might be scrolling along and they're like, oh, how to start a business in Vietnam. I wasn't searching for that, but that's a really attractive, picture of a video, and I might want to watch that. And you scroll down some more, and you see something completely random like light doodles. You're like, huh, I never thought about light doodles. And so, they go out of their way to really help people find your videos. And so somebody who's new and doesn't know how to do marketing and doesn't have an email list and doesn't have any social media set up. You know, I'm the prime example of that. I have nothing, right? I barely have a YouTube channel. My mom and three of you guys might have watched this video that I'm recording right now. And for this month coming up, they're going to pay me 20 bucks for doing nothing in the month of December because I did some work in November. And now, you know, you say, oh, well, that doesn't sound like a lot of money, but for someone who's just getting started, someone who has $0 to invest in tools, and again, I don't pay money for tools. I use the free version of Screencast-O-Matic, and then I use, you know, nothing. I don't use a fancy video recorder. I don't use a fancy microphone. I don't use any fancy screen editing software, and I use Canva, the free version of Canva, canva.com, to make my thumbnails. And so it's really a great opportunity for people who want to get into the online space and they want to start doing something, but there's such a low threshold, you know, for what would keep you from getting started. You know, there really aren't a lot of things that you need to have. Like, you don't have to have Facebook ads training. Like, that to me is frightening, right? Like, jumping into the Facebook ads world, that just blows my mind a little bit. But anybody who is just getting started could get views of their videos right now on Skillshare because there just aren't that many creators on there. It's such a great place for beginners to go, you know, and they only have a couple million users and the company's not profitable yet. So I think in the future, eventually they're going to start having to pay course creators less to try to meet the demands of their investors. But for now, you know, you can make between 5 and 10 cents a minute watched. And if you, and the way to get more cents a minute, like I get low, you know, the lower end of it because I'm new and I'm not that good at it. I don't think my courses are that good, honestly. But, you know, I'm trying, I'm working really hard. But, you know, you could get up to 10 cents a minute watched, and you could see how that could add up if you continually posted a course a week, you know, between 10 and 20 minutes worth of material once a week. Over time, that is going to add up into something significant. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want to join Skillshare because you want to, you know, learn on Skillshare, I can give you 2 months free, and I'll put a link in the description. And if you want to be a teacher, if you allow me to refer you, they'll give us each 50 bucks, which is pretty cool. So if you want to get the referral, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comments because I respond to all of my comments, and we'll get connected and I'll get you that referral. Hey everybody, if you found this video helpful, useful, had any information or value whatsoever, do me the favor of hitting like or subscribe or leave a comment or something, because that tells YouTube that this video had value and would also be valuable to other people. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one.